Hey guys, today we're gonna be playing some Square Bird, and the mom that's in the background. Hi, say hi, Monet.
Hi.
She's just uploading on her. She's making a YouTube channel apparently, and it's very cool. So you should check it out. It's called the Monet Builder, right?
Yep. Spell AMANAT
All-
BHULLAR.
Yep. All one word. All one word.
Mm-hmm.
So okay, let's make our map here. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Okay. Nani? Cool, I'm good. Ooh, I'm so lucky. I was about to hit. Okay. Doom. Boom. Boom. Yes, we did it. Okay. Next level. Oh, thank you.
For years, I was focused solely on the ice, but now I'm a student, mentor, and building a life in a new...
One level. Nani? Let's go, lads. Oh, go. Okay. Safe. Come on. No. It's gonna be a trick, isn't it? I know it's gonna be a trick. I knew it. Okay. Can you guys hear? I can't hear. Okay, that's fine. I can't hear either. God. Yes! Oof. You chopped off her neck there. Guys, I think we're gonna do 3 more rounds because I have to upload I'll have to help Amana upload a lot on her channel. No. X.
If I can figure out this thing.
Yeah, I should figure it out. Done. X. That works. Oh my god, this is so dumb. See? That's why you never listen to odds. They are annoying. Okay, 3 more rounds. 3 more rounds to win, that's it. That's 3 more rounds. Okay, actually 2 more rounds because I already did one. So, go follow Amanet's Builder's channel because she has, we're gonna upload a lot today on her channel, so. And yeah, don't worry guys, that round didn't count, so like, that round didn't count either, so there's still 2 more rounds left. I think it's sweet. Yeah. So 2, no. Okay. What I mean is we had to win 3 rounds, so I already won 1 round, so we have to win 2 more. Oh, God. No. Okay, actually, after this, we complete this round, I'm gonna go because this is taking a long time. Okay, guys, we're gonna end this video right here. I know it's a short video, but I'm not tired, but I have to upload a lot on this channel, so I'm gonna save my energy for that. Bye.